And we're tired of traveling 20 miles for a decent cup of coffee.
That's a long way to drive when you're cranky in the morning. Thankfully, for those in Independence, it's just a quick trip down Main Street. Welcome to Almost Famous Café.
When we were trying to come up with a name, one name popped up. That was another shop. I said, well, they're famous. My son said, well, we're almost famous. And it was kind of a joke, and it stuck.
Owner Jeff Thomas and his son Jared originally planned to open a retail shop for tea, coffee, and spices, but an idea kept brewing for something truly unique.
New York bagels, this is crazy. I haven't had one since I was in New York. A lot of people are really happy about that.
You won't find the menu online. The only way to know what's for breakfast and lunch? Read the wall.
We do the classic breakfast bagels.
With some of the fluffiest eggs I've eaten in a while. They don't have a flat top or a stove, so these eggs are baked in the pizza oven.
Is that not the fluffiest looking egg you've ever seen? These eggs are incredible.
Searching for lunch? Jeff's homemade chicken salad is famous and sold by the pound.
It's a little different. It's got chunk chicken. We roast our chicken here in the shop. You'll pick out celery and onions right away. It also has a few other things that you might not notice. And it just all adds to the great flavor.
Is that a raspberry? Craisin. The celery and the craisin together. That's a wonderful match. Make sure to ask for the Logan cut tomato. Jeff will know what you're talking about.
As for the coffee, that's Jared's specialty.
Jared is our mixologist. We've got over 25 flavors here.
And if you can't decide,
Surprise me, we'll put together a combination for them. Ask them a couple of questions. Do you like fruity? Do you like chocolatey? Caramel? What do you like?
for me, Jared mixed up a strawberry cheesecake smoothie, one of their top sellers.
Complete with the graham cracker at the bottom. It's good on a hot day. I think I just figured out why my smoothies at home aren't nearly as good, because I don't put nearly as many strawberries in there as Jared did. That's the key.
To keep your fame, you gotta evolve, something this cafe continues to do.
We do fresh squeezed lemonade. Now we're moving into pizza. We're hoping to start doing some like panini sandwiches in the near future. We're really trying to expand out and catch a lot of different food influences.
And don't be surprised when Jeff wanders over and starts chatting you up. It's what he loves best.
We've gotten great reviews. These people are really cool. They're really laid back. They're really nice.
All right, thank you.
And it's mostly because we just sit there and we'll sit and talk with you while you're here.
Almost Famous Café, a hometown eat, putting Independence on the map.